Okay, Berkeley. I'm going to show everyone how you like your rice cereal. Okay? Here we go. Whoops, I got to see if I can get this all at the same time. Good stuff. Whoops, camera's not doing a good job of doing both things. It's hard, yeah. This tastes good, doesn't it? Yum. Whoops. Do you have anything to say? Is it good? Huh? Another bite? That's good, huh? Yeah, you do have a lot on your face. Yes, you do. All right. I'll turn it off.